Alright guys, today I have a really special treat for you. Our friends at Broken Shovels Farm, they invited us to go and check out their baby goats. 9 of them.
Baby goats!
Liv, are you excited to go and see the baby goats?
Baby!
Baby! You heard it, so let's go. See some baby goats?
We are Broken Shovels Farm. We are a farm animal sanctuary in Denver, Colorado. This is baby Domino. He was born about a week ago. We rescued 5 pregnant mama goats in November and knew that they were going to have babies eventually, and they did. Who can say no to baby goats? We will always dedicate ourselves to rescuing pregnant mamas. We have dedicated our farm to rescuing animals from hoarding cases, abuse cases, neglect cases, animals that have been retired from the animal agriculture industry.
What do you think about them eating your shoes?
They haven't consumed anything just yet. It's just lots of nibbles on fingers and toes and jackets and shoes and pants and everything.
Yeah. Are you giving him a hug? Oh. And now he's trying to get down. There he goes.
More.
Oh, Muffin. Is he eating your hair?
Kit came to us from a meat goat farm. A very kind lady found him rejected by his mom, and she managed to rescue him and bring him to us. We still feed Kit a couple of times a day. He's old enough to be weaned, but he doesn't have his mama here. We are his mama, so we kind of spoil him a little bit. We can't imagine life without little Kit Kat.
Chicken. What does the chicken say? You want to pet the chicken?
That little pig. And there.
I'm here, so don't you worry, 'cause you know I'll be there in a hurry. In the sun.
Did you just hold
Where are you going? Where's the turkey? Are you taking pictures of me?
Doesn't quite have hang of it just yet.
Hi, donkey.
bye, baby goat. Bye, mama goat. Bye. Bye, rooster. Do you want another kiss from the cow? Oh, you give mama a kiss. Here comes the brown one, look.
Alright, that was so cool. What an amazing project. So it's a no-kill farm. They all rescue animals. If you want to visit this farm or support it in any way, shape or form, check them out in the comments below. We'll have a link to the Facebook page and their website.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, goats.
Bye.
Bye.